tell you what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town.
Hello, it's Amy with Mama Bear Blue. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, if you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button, I would appreciate it. If you have any comments, please leave them below and be sure to give a thumbs up. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my perennial gardens, as well as showing you some thrifted finds that I've used to decorate within the landscaping. And then I will be showing you how to use salt wash to create a rust effect. Let's get started. Today's video is part of the Creative Friends collaboration hosted by Jamie and Zeb Ray of Jamie Ray Vintage. I will be sure to put the link to the playlist in the description box below. Check it out. I love lots of color in the landscaping. I like creating peaceful spaces for people to enjoy when they visit and for our family to enjoy as well. And I really love thrifting and throwing in different pieces in the decor, sometimes unexpected, and repurposing them in fun ways.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday.
We have many pieces of rusty metal decor scattered throughout the landscaping, and I wanted to see if I could recreate the look with Saltwash and DIY Paint. So I mixed 1 part Saltwash with 1 part DIY paint. Here I'm using the color Layered Chocolate. This doesn't have to be an exact measurement. I usually just mix in a bit at a time until it's the consistency of cake frosting. Saltwash can be used to make a variety of faux effects that are really beautiful. Weathered wood, sea glass, rust, verdigris, and many others. Here I'm just using an inexpensive chip brush that I can easily throw away if I don't want to clean out all the salt wash from it. I'm putting a base coat layer on of the Layered Chocolate. I'm not using a textured finish. I'm just brushing it on to cover the metal. Next I'm going in with more of a textured finish, pouncing up and down to get some peaks and texture with the salt wash mixture. The 3 other colors you're going to need in addition to Layered Chocolate are Gypsy Green, Marquee, and Queen Bee. You will mix these colors with the salt wash in about a 1-to-1 ratio, just as you did the Layered Chocolate mixture. Next, cover a few areas in the Gypsy Green mixture. You can let it air dry. If you want to speed up the process, you can do as I'm doing here and use a heat gun. Next, it's time to get out the Marquee mixture. And for this, I just used a stencil brush because this is just going to be areas of small detail. So I just dabbed on the red on the edges of the cans, as well as some of the edges of the Gypsy Green areas. I did the same thing with the Queen Bee color, dotting them on, kind of blending it in as I go. As you can see, some of the areas will change to orange, but by using yellow and red separately, you're going to get areas that are a little more red or a little more orange and more variation in color, which looks a little more authentically like rust. Then I went back with some more Gypsy Green and Layered Chocolate and just dotted and brushed and blended, so there wasn't anything too distinct as far as brightness of color until it looked like rust. I love the aged, rusty look of these cans. They will make a perfect addition to my back porch. If you plan on using them out in the weather, I would probably suggest sealing them with a weatherproof sealer. For all the products I used to create these, visit my website, mamabearblue.com. Now, to continue the garden tour, the roses did amazing this year. We bought this Savannah girl statue, which I love, while we were on vacation in Savannah, Georgia for our 25th anniversary.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah,
The back porch is decorated in blues and greens and makes a nice place to relax. I think Waylon agrees.
Look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
These terracotta pots were made with Iron Orchid design transfers during one of my Facebook Lives called Mondays with Mom. I will put the link in the description box below.
The countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
We live in the Midwest, surrounded by some beautiful farmland. And the highlight and focal point of our front yard is this amazing oak tree that's well over 200 years old.
9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I have new videos uploading. Thanks for watching.
To purchase the Saltwash and paint and other supplies used in today's video, visit mamabearblue.com.